Okay, let's continue. With his with his rich harvest of bananas. Harvest जब हम फसल बोते हैं ना, उसको हम हार्वेस्टिंग बोलते हैं. ओके, अभी उसने उगा तो लिया, अब नाउ व्हाट ही इज गोना डू विथ इट, व्हाट ही इज गोइंग टू डू विथ इट. सो अगेन, हाउ डू वी मेक सेंटेंसेस दैट फ्रेमिंग भी आप इससे सीख सकते हो. यू कैन रिपीट द सेंटेंसेस. जब भी कोई क्वेश्चन आता है ना विनोद, तो उस क्वेश्चन को आप रिपीट भी कर सकते हो पॉज करके. ओके, फॉर योर प्रैक्टिस. With his rich harvest of bananas. Bananas. It's bananas. Banana. Banana. Okay, banana नहीं है. Okay, bananas. In English, it is bananas. Okay. He decided. So past tense. Ed लग गया ना. He decided to seek help. Look for help. Let me get some help. Right. Seek मतलब look करना help के लिए. Okay. He decided to seek help. And whenever you're writing the story, अभी जैसे new आया word, new vocab, seek. तो इसको underline करना है आपको purple से. Okay. And what you have to do, Vinod and Pankaj, you have to सर्च दिस वर्ड ऑन गूगल. मैंने आपको कल एक भेजा था ना स्नैपशॉट ऑन गूगल पे. हडल्ड. हडल्ड मतलब आसपास चलना. ओके, चिपक कर चलना ताकि उनको गर्मी लगे, तभी वो शीप के आसपास चल रहे थे इन दैट स्टोरी. ओके, द ट्रेजर हंट. द सेम वे what you have to do, write, underline this word with purple color, write the meaning, okay, in your picture card. From the farmers center. तो कहां से हेल्प ले रहा है वो? फ्रॉम क्या है? preposition. From the farmers center. So in reading, whenever any information is coming, उसको हमको बहुत क्लियरली बोलना है. कहां से हेल्प ली उसने? I took help from customer care center. My internet is not working, sir. Oh, you may take help from the customer desk. Oh, my luggage is missing. You are suppose at the airport. So my luggage is missing. So you have to file a report at the luggage counter. तो जब भी आपको देखना कोई रिसेप्शनिस्ट इंफॉर्मेशन देती है या कोई सर इंफॉर्मेशन देते हैं आपको, तो देखना वो लगेज काउंटर, फार्मर सेंटर, कस्टमर सेंटर, इस चीज को बहुत क्लियरली बोलते हैं क्योंकि आपको वहां से हेल्प लेनी है. तो उस इंफॉर्मेशन को हमको बहुत क्लियरली बोलना है रीडिंग के वक्त. लाइक हम अभी जब भी पढ़ रहे थे ना, एमिली ब्लंट, नेम ऑफ अ पर्सन, स्टार, द मून, लूना, पॉपी, डेजी, दीज आर ऑल इंफॉर्मेशन. ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशन है और इसको हमको फार्मर सेंटर क्या है? इंफॉर्मेशन है, इसलिए इसको क्लियरली बोलना है. करेक्ट? इन रीडिंग. In Durudu, a big town near his village. So this is the name of the town in his village. Off he went. Expression off he went. You can write down. Off he went means wo gaya. Off he went to seek the help. Okay? Off he went. So whenever any expression is there, underline that. Off he went carrying the best crop of bananas. तो naturally जो उसका best slot था, जो उसका best lot था, वो उसको लेकर गया. Okay? Carrying the best crop of bananas. Of क्या है students? Preposition. Crop of bananas. Of what is? Preposition. Crop of bananas. Okay? Bunch of bananas. हम बोलते हैं ना bunch of bananas. Bunch of grapes, crop of bananas. Surely someone there. Surely मतलब certainly. कोई तो उसकी हेल्प करेगा ही वहां पर. Surely someone there. Okay? Would have a good idea for him. Would have. So would क्या है? Modal verb. कोई तो उसकी हेल्प कर देगा वहां पर और किसी के पास तो गुड आइडिया होगा उसकी मदद करने के लिए. ओके? फॉर हिम. ओके, दिस इज फॉर यू. व्हाट्स दिस फॉर? This is for writing. What's this for? This is to change the channel. This is for changing channels. Okay? So would have a good idea for him. A few days later, comma. तो comma के बाद हल्का सा pause. A few days later, ऐसे पढ़ना है हमको. Reading कैसे करना है? A few days later, he got some help. Whatever the sentence is, okay, over there. A few days later, Shri Srinivas returned home. Returned. Okay, वापस आना. Returned home. I returned home. हम returned back home बोलते हैं ना, वो नहीं बोलना चाहिए हमको. Returned के साथ back नहीं use करना चाहिए. I returned home. Okay. Returned home looking very happy. He was happy. I think so. He got help. He went back. He went back. Went back matlab past tense. He went back to growing bananas on his farm. कहाँ grow कर रहा है वो banana? Growing is main verb. Okay, bananas जो चीज वो grow कर रहा है subject. On his farm. On क्या हो गया? Preposition. Circle it with blue color. On his farm. Okay, so this way you learn the structure also. Where he is growing bananas? On his farm. Vinod, where are you growing your vegetables? On my farm. Okay, so suppose you are asking, ma'am, where are you growing your vegetables? I'm growing my vegetables on my farm. Oh, on his farm. I'm growing my vegetables on his farm. On Pankaj's farm. Pankaj, S. Uske farm pe. Okay. Growing bananas on his farm. But he did not offer the fruits. उसने offer नहीं किए fruits. Okay? But he didn't. He did not. Did not क्या बन जाता है? Didn't. He didn't offer the fruits to anyone anymore. अभी वो किसी को भी fruits offer नहीं कर रहा था. Not to anyone, not anymore. I'm not offering my services to anyone anymore. किसी को भी नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. Okay? To anyone anymore. I am not offering any free services to anyone anymore. Anymore. Clear? Until here? Not to his family, not to his neighbor, not to his friends, not to the traders who could sell the bananas in faraway markets. अभी इन्हीं सब ने उसके लिए मना किया था ना. They all didn't notice कि वो grow कर रहा है. So he didn't offer anything to any one of them, not even to his cows, not even to the traders. ना traders को, ना friends को, ना families को, not even to his cows. Okay. Everyone became, so see, new word, curious. 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 Repeat after me, curious. Everyone became very curious. क्या कर रहा है, कहाँ कर रहा है, क्या, हाँ, not exactly. When you become curious, you get that little anxiety and excitement, but not exactly exciting. Curious मतलब क्या कर रहा है, कैसे कर रहा है, क्यों कर रहा है. ओके, दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ क्यूरियस. उत्सुक होना बहुत ज्यादा. हाउ इज ही डूइंग इट? व्हाई इज ही नॉट ऑफरिंग बनानाज? ओके, लोगों के अंदर क्वेश्चंस आ गए. आई वांट यू टू फाइंड द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस टुडे होमवर्क. ओके, सर्च इन ऑन गूगल एंड राइट द मीनिंग. यस, क्यूरियस. एवरीवन बिकेम क्यूरियस. देखो ना, कोई कंफ्यूज्ड है, कोई एंशियस है, कोई सरप्राइज्ड है. ओके, दे आर वंडरिंग व्हाई इज ही नॉट ऑफरिंग. ये फ्रूट्स क्यों नहीं ऑफर कर रहा है अपने. दे बिकेम क्यूरियस. जानने के लिए बहुत उत्सुक, क्या कर रहा है ये. Where were all the bananas going? Where were past tense. ये कहाँ जा रहे हैं, कहाँ जा रहे थे या कहाँ जा रहे हैं. ओके, Where were all the bananas going? Okay, going present, present continuous, main verb. Okay, so where were क्या है? Helping verb. Where were all the bananas going? Question. One day, neighbor Shrivanna arranged a very big puja. So what did he arrange? He arranged a very big puja, a ceremony. Big means adjective. Okay, उसका फीचर बता रहा है, big ceremony, big puja, big reception. The priest asked to get the priest, the pandit, okay, who is priest? The priest asked to get 108 ripe bananas. जैसे हमारे यहाँ पूजा होती है, we ask for like 21 bananas, 11 bananas. So he asked for 108 ripe. Ripe means पका हुआ. Ripe bananas. As an offering. We offer something like we offer coconut to God, some snacks, okay, some sweets to God. So as an offering to the gods, to different gods. So that is called as offering. Okay, we give offerings or we give offering to the God. As an offering. Ran to Srigiri Srinivas. I'm sorry for saying no to you before, but now I need. So first he said no, but now he's feeling sorry because now he needs bananas, right? But now I need 108 banana need. Okay, again, helping. Can you help me? Question. Can you help me, please? Okay. Tapped his chin. This is tapping. सोचता हूँ. Wait, let me think. This is was it? Tapping. Write down this word, okay? Tapped. Srinivasan tapped his chin. Tapped his chin. Well, my crop. Well, see, it's an again expression. Well, my crop has just been cut. Abhi just मैंने काटे हैं. Okay, my crop has. So has helping verb. My crop have नहीं यूज किया. एक ही crop है ना उसका banana. तो crop के साथ सिर्फ has यूज होगा. Like he sheet के साथ मैंने बोला था ना has यूज होता है. Okay, she has long hair. Okay, she has a remote. I have a remote. You have a remote. Okay, my crop has just been cut. तो यहाँ has यूज होगा. Have नहीं. Okay. Just been cut. But let me see what can I do. You may start your puja. I will surely come. So see, this is again an expression. I will surely come. You may start your puja. I will surely come. Maybe he will come with the bananas. The puja started. The whole village came to watch. See, came to watch, past tense. The whole village came to watch the puja. Okay, try to do these actions when you are rehearsing the story, like this how I'm teaching you. The priest began chanting. What is the meaning of chanting? जब हम मंत्र चंत prayers बोलना, very good. Chanting like Om Bhurbhuva Swaha, we say mantras, chanting. This is called as he began chanting Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, oh God, like that. That is called as chanting. Chanting some mantras. Okay. The priest began chanting. Soon it became time to offer bananas to the gods. Just then in came Srinivas carrying a big bag. From the bag, he carefully took out 27 packets and laid them before the holy fire. And laid them मतलब उसने रखा वहाँ before the holy fire. Okay, laid them means रखना. उसने 27 packets निकाले और वहाँ रख दिए. Each packet, see how clearly he is speaking. Each packet was carefully wrapped means उसमें बंधा हुआ था. Gift wrap करते हैं ना हम. Okay, that is called as wrapped. We never say wrapped. Okay, W से नहीं बोलते हम उसको. Wrapped. Carefully wrapped in a banana leaf. तो banana leaf लगी हुई थी सारे पैकेट्स के ऊपर. On each one was written high quality banana halwa. Okay, high quality banana halwa. SS Farms. He started his own product. Okay, he made a product out of his banana. Everybody was curious ना क्या कर रहा है वो. He actually made halwa from those bananas. And he named his firm, क्या उसने नाम दिया? SS Farms. Offered one to the priest. Each one has pulp of. Each one has the pulp. Pulp मतलब बनाने का जो पल्प निकलता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? पल्प ऑफ 4 बनानास. मतलब 4 बनानास का पल्प था एक पैकेट में. ओके, ईच वन हैज द पल्प ऑफ 4 बनानास. रीड. Each one has the pulp of 4 bananas. There are 24. There are 27 packets. So here are your 108 ripe bananas. So if you multiply, it comes to 108. Okay. The priest was so surprised that he forgot to chant. In the silence, one child began to laugh. Soon the whole village was laughing and clapping. Now we know what Srinivas does. So what did he do with the bananas? He made his own product and everybody was laughing, everybody was clapping, everybody was happy for him with all the banana that he grows. Okay, so that's the end of the reading and the story. So this is how you have to do reading with story.